Unbox your Tubeless Setup Kit. Lay everything out so it's easy to get at. Remove your tyre and any old rim tape. Use our ultimate Workshop Degreaser to remove any grease or stubborn old glue before you start. Use an old rag or microfibre cloth to clean and dry the rim. Make sure your rim is completely clean and dry before applying the tape. Start 2 spoke holes back from the valve hole. Press the tape firmly into the center of the rim and smooth it out to the edges, removing any trapped air as you go. Apply the tape with tension, making sure it's pulled down into the dip in the rim. Keep smoothing the tape as you go. Backtrack a little if you need to. Finish 2 spoke holes past the valve hole. Cut the tape at 45 degrees and press down firmly. Check for any trapped air under the rim tape. Push any trapped air out to the edges or a spoke hole. Cover the end of the tape with one of the finishing strips to prevent any peel back. Press down firmly. You're now ready to fit the valves. Unbox the valves and dismantle them. Remove the valve cap and locking nut. Remove the O-ring. Remove the valve core. Use the valve core removal tool on the valve cap to help you. Pierce a hole in the rim tape over the valve hole. Fit the valve stem. Apply a little pressure as you install the O-ring and tighten the locking nut. Finger tighten the locking nut, no need to overdo it or damage anything. Select and fit a tubeless ready tyre. Fit one side of the tyre bead onto the rim. Work the other side onto the rim. If you're using tyre levers, be careful not to damage the rim tape. Time to seat the tyre. With the valve core still removed, pump up the tyre. Using a compressor or airshot type pump can be helpful. You should hear the tyre pop into place as it seats onto the rim. Once seated, let the tyre down again. Take a pouch of sealant and give it a shake. Attach the spout to the valve stem whilst the core is out. Give it a good squeeze. Check the packaging for recommended quantities. We'd recommend a little extra rather than less. Once the sealant is in, replace the valve core. Tighten with the handy valve core remover cap. Attach your pump and inflate the tyre. Once inflated, remove the pump and tighten the valve core. Fit the valve cap. Go ride.